Motorcycle Clothing Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global motorcycle clothing market size will be $12,541.20 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 7.2% from 2024 to 2031. North America motorcycle clothing market size of $5,016.48 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 5.4% from 2024 to 2031. Europe motorcycle clothing market size of $3,762.36 million. Asia Pacific motorcycle clothing market size of $2,884.48 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 9.2% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America motorcycle clothing market size of $627.06 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 6.6% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa motorcycle clothing market size of $250.82 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 6.9% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.